Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. I am so grateful. If today's the first day you are seeing my eyes and my face for the first time, this is Agatha Progress channel, and I come across your way every blessed day. Thank you very much to you that always share my video, like, and comment. I am grateful. I so much appreciate you all. God richly bless you. All right, let's go move into the reason why we are here today. Hope you do enjoy the video. Now, watch it. Let's go. Right now, something is now being clear to us. Now we understand what is really going on. Because these people, they think that having the mind to become a president 2023 will end everything. It is a political war to deny the Biafra presidency in 2021. Some Igbo groups say so. Some Biafra groups say so. Well, I don't really want to believe that. If they need Nigeria presidency in 2023, there is no problem about that. Nobody hold them, but they should not just use their own to touch our own plan. The group stated that the only thing that can save the country is to allow the Southeast region to produce the next presidency to succeed Muhammadu Buhari. I laughed when I saw it. I said, for real? Are they kidding me? Are they saying the truth? That is just their own desire. That is just their own selfishness. It does not have anything to do with us. Then they went further to continue. He said this was contained in a statement made by the group on Wednesday in Owerri, the Imo State capital. In a statement by its president, General Goodluck Ebom, the group vowed to resist any attempt by any individual group or political party to discard the agitation for Igbo presidency in 2023. This is just a mere joke, it's just a mere talk. We are not surprised because we know that the hungry leaders of Biafra land, they need this presidency. That is why they sold their soul to the devil. But we are coming to them one after the other. They have not seen anything yet. We are not surprised. It's not a new thing to us. In his latest statement, Ibom said Igbo was long overdue to produce Nigeria president, noting that nobody can deny that fact. It is our own turn and it is our turn to do so. Can you imagine these people? Can you imagine? So they just need to provide president for 2023. That is why they are doing all this rubbish they are doing. But it's not our problem, but only what we have to tell them. Any attack on Eastern Security Network is an attack to all. That is what we need to put in our mind, that this race of Biafra is not just a mere race. It's a race that we should run with every seriousness and with every determination. And I'm seeing my people that for real we need it, because that is what we everly desire. So they were just saying that the plot by some people to scatter the presidency, now that it is the turn of the Southeast to produce a Nigeria president come 2023, is a declaration of the political war against Igbo. It is a calculated attempt to relegate to the background all the sacrifice and political investments made by the Igbo towards the progress of the country, and we will resist it. Can you imagine that? That is just their own problem. It's not ours. We didn't hold them not to have their election. We didn't hold them not to go for what they want, but we want them to understand that any attempt to stop us for what we everly dream and desire, that is when they will get it the other way around. Because we can't keep quiet any longer. One Nigeria is not working, so we need to go. So as many people that have the mind to become president in 2023 in Biafra land, we never hold them, but do it with your family alone, because nobody will support you, and that's your desire to become a president in the beautiful land of Biafra 2023. We don't need any election because there has not been any election that has worked before. So it's not this one that you want to use to threaten us. We are not interested. Then they move further to say that meanwhile the Sherman Senator Committee on the Army Senator has said he is against the North producing the next president after Buhari tenure. He said for the sake of the justice, fairness and equality, the SAT desire to produce the next president, although he has said the Southeast must first believe in the unity of the country. Can you imagine? Who are they telling? Are they telling it to children? I am against APC producing its presidency candidate from the North. The APC presidential candidate should come from South. I have said it before and we still say it again that if we have a Northerner as APC president candidate, to me, it is tremendous to the third term and it is not consistency. And they went further to say that, and I think the Southeast need to think about it. That is what is creating the rumor for the Northerners to even say they want to be president again. And who cares? If you want to be president of Nigeria, you must believe in the unity of Nigeria. I support the candidate to come from anywhere from the South. Hey, group of jokers. I think these people don't really know what we believe and what we are saying. We said we are not interested in any of these things. I think they need a prophet to give them the orientation. We don't need any presidency in 2023. All what we need is Biafra. Referendum, that is all. We don't need anything that is saying we take a presidency for 2023. Who are they deceiving? They have been deceiving us before. And this time around, deceitful attitude is never allowed. All what we need is Biafra. And I want to urge every wonderful and beautiful Biafra with a very wonderful heart, keep on the good work, because I know definitely very soon Biafra will come. And I want you again to keep supporting our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Support Eastern Security Network because it's really hot and it's a big blow, because what we are achieving already is just God. If not for God, I think we can't get to where we are right now. The force is already there. We've gotten the force and nothing can resist us. Nothing can take us back. In unity we stand. All hail Biafra.
My word. That is all about this video. Hope you do enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like this video and share this video. Your opinion is highly needed in the comment section. And if you are passing across this video for the first time, you are passing across this channel for the first time, and you haven't subscribed, you haven't joined this family, what are you then waiting for? Please do it to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you again in my next post shortly. I see you when I see you. Peace out.